Hey, welcome back friends. In previous video we have successfully created our page which name was at product.php, and we have successfully inserted data into our database, and I have inserted some dummy data you can see in our database, and this data we are going to show in a new page, and the new page name will be productlist.php. So the new page we need to create using our code editor. Let's go in our code editor and create here in this folder, in UI folder. I am going to create a new file. New file name will be productlist.php. Perfect. Okay, and let's open our blank.php. Select all code, copy this code and open productlist.php and paste all code here, and let's save our file. Okay, save. Okay, now our product list is created successful, and let's see the output. We can type here product list.php. okay, you can see here. Okay, now we can edit this file. Open our code editor and open our registration.php. Copy these 2 lines, okay, and just paste above the header, save, and here I can give, instead of admin dashboard, I can give here product list. Okay, and after that here we have card body, card header, and here I can give product list. Okay, and here we have card body, and this is the open tag of card body, and this is the close. So let's remove this and save this, and let's see the output. Refresh our product list. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, and now in our product list we can show our data. So let's go on our registration.php. Simple, we can copy the code from the registration.php. Here you can see our table code. This is the opening tag of the table. Let me copy from the opening tag of the table to the end tag of the table, okay, for saving our time. So you can see here we have the close tag. Now let's copy and let's go on productlist.php, and inside this I can paste and save. Now let's see the output. Refresh, and you can see the output. Okay, so what we can do here, we are getting data from the user table, but we need to get data from the table product. Okay, so here in our code we can change lots of things. Here we can change select stick from table product instead of user. Let me see, here we need to give PID. Okay, and here I need to show the barcode. Let me write code, then I will explain you. Now let's save our file and see the output. Our code is working or not, and then I will explain you. Okay, now let's refresh our page. Okay, it's showing us line number, user ID. Okay, let's open our code and here give the PID instead of user ID. Okay, so don't be confused. We are fetching data from the table product, means tbl underscore product, and in tbl underscore product we have PID as ID. Okay, now let's save and let's see the output. Perfect. Okay. Okay, now you can see we have successfully fetched out the data from the table, and we can do some changes in our table. Here we have 4 buttons for print barcode of the product, and for view the product description or about the information of the product we can see from this button, and we can edit the product details from this button, and we can delete the product from this button. Okay, so you can see here the barcode list, product name, category, description, stock, purchase price, sale price, and image. And then we have created 4 buttons. So we will do lots of changes in this page in next video. So what I have done here, let me explain you simply. We have just copied the code from the registration.php, and I just given here the heading. Okay, and I just use here fetch out the data from the table product, and I just simply shown here the data in the table. Okay, and I will add lots of code in this page, so I will show you in the next video. So this is enough in this video, so see you next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to continue our product list.php file, and you can see here in our table we have 4 buttons. So here we are going to give the 4 buttons small buttons, and we will add tooltip here, and in the third step we will add data table plugin for our table. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, let me see this table code. And here we have the table code, so let's start from here. Let's just remove this 3 TDs for the header of the table, and here in this heading I'm going to give here action icons. Okay, so the action icons, in the action icons we will add 4 buttons. One is for the barcode, second is for the view product, third is for the edit product, and fourth button is for the delete product. Okay, and this is the heading of the product list, so let's remove this, we don't need now. Okay, and here you can see the 4 buttons code, so I'm going to remove one by one. First button, this is the second button code, and this is the third, and this is the fourth button code. Save. Okay, and now let's refresh our page. What is the output now? You can see here the output. Okay, so first of all let me write the code for the action icons, but before the writing code for the action icons I am going to write code for the image, and for the image I let me remove this, and here I can write let me write code first and I will explain you. Okay, so our image code is completed now, and let's save and let's see the output. What will be the output? Perfect. Now you can see the images here. Okay, first image, second image of the product, and the third image we can see here now. And now in the action icons, let's add let me write the code for the action icon, and then I will explain you what I have done here. So let's write. So our code is completed now for the 2 buttons, and let's check our code is right or wrong. So let's save our file and open our browser and refresh our page first, and you can see here the buttons. Okay, so what mistake I have done there? Okay, so we need to add here a td tag, td, and after this division I need to add again our close td tag. Okay, now let's save and see the output. Refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here. Okay, this button is for the barcode and this is for the delete. Okay, and let's check what's the error we are getting for our button code. Class button btn danger btn extra small and span class for trash. We can remove this and let's save. And this is the extra small we used here, the extra small, but it is not showing us the extra small button here. So what we need to do, we need to give here the hyphen. Okay, I think I forgot to add the hyphen here in between the btn and xs. So let's refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here the two small button, one is for the barcode, print barcode, and second is for the delete. So now we need to add the two buttons also for the view product and the edit product. So what we will do, simply we have already wrote here the code. Let me explain you. First let me write code for the view product or edit product. So I am going to copy the first hyperlink, or I can say the anchor tag from here. Actually this is the button, not the hyperlink. This is, we can say, the anchor tag. Okay, so for the view product I just copy and paste the second time this, and here I can write view product instead of print barcode. So this file we will create in the further videos, view product.php, and we can give here warning instead of primary, warning class of bootstrap. Okay, and role button class for barcode. Here I can give I, okay, instead of barcode, and instead of tooltip we can give here view product. Okay, let's save and see the output. Let's refresh our file. Perfect, you can see here. Okay, this is for the view product, this is for the delete, and after the view product I need to add the edit button. So same thing I can do for the edit button. Copy this line of code, and just after this let me paste, and here I can give edit product product.php PID warning, and here I can give info or success, and here I can give edit instead of I, and here in the instead of view product I can give here edit product. Okay, and now let's save our file and see the output. Perfect, now you can see here the button group. One is for the barcode, second is for the view product, and third is for the edit product, and fourth is for the delete product. Let me explain you what I have done here. So simply in this line or in this portion you can see here we have just wrote this code. Image source, we just wrote the folder name here, in which folder, in this folder we are containing some images. You can see here in this folder we are using here, and from this folder we are getting out, or we are fetching out the image, and we are showing the image using of this code here. Okay, the image class is rounded, and we have given here the width 40 pixel and the height is also the 40 pixel. And after this image here I use again a td, and inside the td I just use here division class button group, and inside the in this button group division I just use 4 button here, and I use here the anchor tag for the first 3 buttons. Okay, and the 4th button I use here the buttons. Okay, so here I just use hyperlink href href, and here I just given the print barcode.php file name. This file we will create in the further videos, and this file will also create in further videos, and this is also we will create in further videos. Okay, so don't be confused. And here I just passed the ID from the database PID. This PID is coming from the TBL underscore product database table, and here I just give the class button btn hyphen primary, then btn hyphen extra small. XS is for the extra small, and here I just given the role is button for the anchor tag. That's why it is looking like the button you can see here. Okay, and after this I just given here the span class fa barcode for the icon. You can see here the barcode icon on the button, this barcode icon. So this barcode icon we can see using of this class. Okay, and I just given here the style color black. This is the HTML code for the black color. This color we are using for the tooltip, and tooltip code we are adding in the next video. I will show you how can we add. Okay, so don't be confused. And here I am using data toggle. Data toggle is equal to tooltip. So this code we are going to use in the our script file. Okay, so don't be confused. And the title, you can see here the title print barcode. So this title we can see here. You can see if you can see this print barcode. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. This the same thing I just repeated for the second button, and for the third button, and for the fourth button I use here the button. Why? Because fourth button is for the delete button, and for the delete button we will use the ajax. So for the ajax we are using here button instead of anchor tag. Okay, so I will tell you in the further videos the ajax code, and in that ajax code we will use this button ID. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done in this video. And in the next video we will add the data table plugin, and we will add the code for the tooltip. So don't be confused. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our product list start PHP. In previous video we have added these 4 buttons and the image code, and now in this video we are going to add our data table plugin for our table, and then we will add the script for the tooltip. So first of all let's try to add our data table plugin code. We have already added the data table plugin in category.php file. You can see here. So simple, the same line of code we can reuse in our product list.php file. So let's copy this and let's go back on product list.php, and just after the footer code you can see here the footer code I am going to paste data table plugin code. Okay, and here we can change the name of our table. So here I can give the product instead of category. So the table name is table product. So copy this name and let's go for the table code, and here we can give the ID and let's paste table product. Now let's save and let's see the output. Let's refresh. You can see here is not the search box, here is not the pagination you can see here, and here is not the drop down for selecting the range. Okay, so now let's refresh our page and let's see the output. Perfect. Now you can see here the drop down for the range. We can select the range up to 10 to 25 to 50 and up to 100. Okay, and here you can see the search box. We can search, for example I'm going to search sugar. So you can see here we can search from here. So you can see here the barcode, product name, category, description, stock quantity, purchase price, sell price, image, and the button for creating the barcode, and the button for the view product, and the button for the edit product, and the button for the delete product. And in the last you can see here the pagination. Okay, you can see the product. Okay, and now we need to add the tooltip code. So the same code I can copy from the script. The same script I can copy from here, copy, and let paste here. And instead of this line I am going to write here a simple dollar, and inside this I will write data toggle, and data toggle is equal to tooltip. Okay, and here tooltip, I just need to concatenate the method for the tooltip. Perfect, and let's close this. So now you can see data toggle and the tooltip, and I just concatenated tooltip method here. Okay, so the single quote you can see here, we need to add this outside from the square bracket. Okay, and remove this from here, and let's add it here. Perfect. Now, and let's save our file, and let's see the output again. It is working or not? Perfect, it is working. Now you can see here the print barcode in black color, the text is in white color, and the background is in the black color. So we have given here in this code in the previous videos, you can see here the style we have given in the previous video, the style color which was the black FFFF. So that color is black, so that's why we are able to see here the tooltip or the print barcode in the black background. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. From the next videos we will write code for the barcode, for creating the barcode stickers for our specific product, and we can show the view product, means we will show the product details on a single page, and here we can edit the product details. The specific product details we can edit from this button, and if we want to delete the product we can delete from this button. So we will work for these all 4 buttons in the further videos. So if you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me that question. We will continue from the next video. So this is enough in this video, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have successfully designed our productlist.php page, and in the previous videos we have created these 4 buttons for barcode, for the view product, for the edit product, and for the delete product. So from this video we are going to work with view product, and then we will work with edit product, then we will work for the delete product. After these 3 buttons finally we will work for the print barcode button. Okay, so you can see here we need to create a view product.php file for working or for creating a view product.php page. Okay, we need a product list menu, so we can create after going in header.php file, and in header.php file let's search the menus item, and in the menus item I can create just after the product I can create the product list. So let's copy this and let paste here, and here I can give product list, and here I can add product list.php. okay, and here I can give add product.php. perfect. Okay, and now let's save our header and let's open our page, refresh, you can see here there is no option for product list. Now let's refresh. Perfect, you can see that product list. Okay, and we can change the icon of product list. So let's open our header.php file and let's copy this icon for list from the order list. Okay, and we can give here list. Now let's back on our page. Perfect, you can see dashboard category product. If we click on the product, we have successfully achieved the add product.php file page, and if we click on product list, then we can go directly on the product list.php page. Okay, and now we are going to create a new page for view product. So let's open our code editor, and first of all, what I need to do, simply I need to select this UI folder, because inside the UI folder we need to create a new page which name will be view product.php. So let's give view product.php. Perfect. Okay, and the same thing we will do with view product.php page. We go to the blank.php, we will select all the code from the blank.php code. Let's copy by pressing Ctrl+C for window user, and let's click on view product.php and let's paste here. And here let's remove this, comment out this, and let's go for the card header, and in the card header give here view product, and remove this and remove this. Now let's save, and let's click here. Perfect, you can see here view product. Okay, and now we can change lots of things here. First of all, let's open our registration.php. We can copy this 2 lines, copy, and let's go back on view product.php. Let's paste just before the header, save. And one thing more I can change for here, from here. So what I can change, you can see here card primary. So for primary I can give here info. Okay, so the card class, bootstrap class will be info. So you can see, you will see here the color of this line will change. Okay, perfect. So now let's work with view product.php file, and let's pick on our product list and click here. Okay, and click here. Okay, now let's open our file. Let me see first our product list.php. Okay, and here we are getting PID. Okay, so let's open our browser, let's go on product list. If I click on, perfect. Okay, so no problem. Let's open our code editor and let's go back on product list.php file, and here we will add our code. Let's go on view product.php file. Okay, and let's open our browser, open a new tab, and open Google, and on the Google I will search list group bootstrap. Okay, and from the first link right click, and from this link, third link, I'm going to open in a new tab, and from here I can copy the code. You can see here the format. Okay, perfect. You can see a list group with badges, so we need it. Okay, for badges, so I will copy this code. Let me copy, and let's click on our code editor, and let's go on view product, and inside this I will write code. First of all, I will give here division class call -md -6. Okay, and let me comment out this, paste this code inside it, and copy these lines, and again paste this here. Now let's save, and let's see the output. What is the output? Refresh. Let's go on product list. Product list, no, let's go on view product file. Okay, you can see here. So what I need to do, simply I need to give here division class, then here I need to give row, and I need to give here close division for the row. Save our file, and let's refresh. Perfect, you can see here. Okay, so here we will add our product details, and in the second section we will add our product image. So now what I need to give here in this, after this I will give here a new line of code, center, and close tag of center. Okay, and inside this I will give a p tag and close tag of p tag, and inside this I will give let me check the spelling of center. Okay, that is right. So p tag, and inside the p tag I need to give here a bold tag, b tag. Okay, perfect. And inside the b I will give here product. Let me give in the capital letter. Okay, product details. And in the p tag means paragraph tag, I can add a class, and the class, inside the class I can give here list, then hyphen, then group, and then again hyphen, then item. Okay, and space, again I can give here list hyphen group hyphen item, and then hyphen, I can give here a class. So I'm going to give here the bootstrap class which is info. Okay, so let's save, and okay, let's copy this product details, cut from here, and let's paste in between the bold tag. Okay, save our file, and let's see the output first. It is working or not? Perfect, you can see here. Okay, the product details and the badges, and the same thing we can do for this images for this. So let's copy this, and let's paste here, and here I can give product image, save. Perfect. So I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. We will continue this video from the next video. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have successfully designed our view product.php, and you can see here we are not able to see the id, so there are some error in our code. So we will resolve that error and we will fetch out the data from the database, and we will show here in product details portion. Okay, so let's start. And in previous video we have successfully wrote this code for our view product.php file. Now let's write code. First of all, resolve that problem. Let's go on product list, and you can see here, let me open the browser, and if I go to the product list, you can see here, if I goes to the mouse cursor on the button, and you can see here localhost, then POS barcode, our project folder name, then UI, then print barcode.php id, and we are not able to see the id is equal to the number of our id. Okay, and you can see here. So what I need to do, simple, let's go on our code editor. Here I just added double quotes by mistake in every line of code, so let me remove this. Okay, and let's save, and let's go back on our browser, refresh product list.php, and let's go on our button. Perfect. Now you can see here localhost POS barcode UI viewproduct.php, then question mark, then id is equal to 12, and id is equal to 5, and id is equal to 6, then 11, then 9, then 8. Okay, so now let's continue our code for our viewproduct.php, and here in viewproduct.php I'm going to write PHP code. Okay, so let's PHP, and here I will write id $id, and I will create a variable $id, and inside $id I will get out the id from the get method. And okay, in the id variable I get out the value from the id from the URL. Okay, and then I will write a query. So let me write, then I will explain you. Okay, so here I need to write a echo statement, echo, and terminate, and inside that echo I will paste all my row. Okay, you can see here the row division and is the close division. So let's copy all the code from here, and copy and cut from here, and let's paste inside the echo. Perfect. Okay, now let's save, and let's see the output. Product list. Perfect. Okay, you can see here the id is equal to 12, and let's go on our browser, and if I pass here instead of 12 I am going to pass here dot then $row object operator and PID. Okay, and let's save, and let's open our browser. Let's go on product list, and you can see here the PID is 6, id is equal to 6, so there is should be 6. Okay, we are getting 6 here. Again, let's go on product list, and if I click on where id is equal to 8, then you can see here 8. Okay, so just like that we can add lots of or all product details here. Okay, just like barcode and id. Okay, and here I'm going to give the name. First let me copy this and let paste here, and here I am going to give product. Okay, product, and here I will give after the product we have the category. Copy this and give here the category, and let me copy this for the description, for the stock, for the purchase price, for the sale price. Okay, and this is for the barcode and category. Then here we need to give category, and here we need to give description, then stock, then purchase price, and then sale price. Okay, and here we can give the name. Okay, and here we can give the barcode, and okay, and at the place of badge I can give first of all save our file, and let's see the output. Perfect. Okay, you can see here the ID instead of barcode. We will show here the barcode as stickers or labels in further videos, but let me check here the product name, category cosmetic, description, stock, purchase price, and the sale price. Okay, so we can give here the classes. Let me write code first, and here I can give. So here in this section we can give the badge class. Okay, so here I'm going to give badge, copy badge, and I'm going to give here class info, and then here I'm going to give first let's check. Okay, it's refresh automatically. Okay, you can see here the 11 ID is 11, and we can give here, and let's give here float hyphen right. Let's save and let's see the output, it is working or not. Perfect. Okay, just like that we can do with all. Copy this and let paste here instead of badge, and change the class from here. Okay, here I'm going to give warning. Okay, float right, and here I can give success instead of info, and here I can give primary, and instead of this page I can give here danger, and here I can give secondary, and here I can give dark. Okay, now let's save and let's see the output. Perfect. Okay, so you can see here if we go to the list, if I click on here on this product, then you can see the details. The barcode, we will show here the barcode stickers, and you can see here the product name and category and the description and the stock and the purchase price. Okay, we will change the class for the purchase price and the sell price. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. We will continue this video, this lecture, or this view product.php file from the next video. So I hope you got this. So see you in next. Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our view product.php file. What we are going to do in this video, we are going to give bold text for this names of the product details, and we will add image here of the product, and in the next video we will add the barcode number here. Okay, so let's continue. So let's start. Here I need to give the spelling secondary a. I need to give here a, and one thing more I can give here. Let me copy first, and paste here, and here I can give dollar row sell price minus dollar row object operator, and then purchase price. Let's copy this and let's give here. Okay, and here we can give product profit. Okay, perfect. And here I can give the bold text, and let me give now. Let's save our file and let's see the output. What is the output we are getting here? And perfect, you can see here our heading is in bold, barcode, product name, category, description, stock, purchase price, sell price, and profit. We just need to give here, you can see here 250 minus 130 is equal to 120, so the 120 is the profit for the product. And what I need to give here, here I need to give, I'm going to give here success, the class success instead of dark, and refresh our file, and perfect, you can see here the profit. Now let's go for the image, and in the second portion we can give here the image, and here I can write the image code. Let me remove this line of code, and here I can write the image code. So let me write first. Now let's save our file and let's see the output. What is the output we are getting here? Perfect, you can see here the image. Okay, the image is responsive. You can see here if I goes to the mobile view, the image is responsive, you can see here. Okay, and let's see other products from the product list. Let's go on the product list, and if I click here on the mix spices, so we can see here the image of mix spices. Okay, and if I again go to the product list, and if I go to the veg burger, we can see the veg burger image. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. We will continue in next video. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to add the barcode library folder, and after adding the barcode library folder we can generate the barcode labels, and we can get printout of the barcode labels from the printer, and we can show the barcode image here on the place of barcode numbers. Okay, so in this video we are going to add the barcode library or the configuration file. We are using here barcode 128 configuration file for creating the barcode labels. Okay, so this is the basic tutorials for the barcode library. Here is the website. You can see that php underscore barcode. We can download in the zip format these 3 files from here, and I will share with you a Google Drive link for this code or for this library. So don't worry, you can download from this URL, or I will share with you a Google Drive link that is the optional, and you can also download from that link. Okay, so don't worry, I already downloaded it, and let me add this barcode library in our project folder. So let me minimize and let me open, and here you can see the PHP barcode master, and select all files. I'm going to copy the all files, copy, and I'm going in the C drive and exam, htdocs, POS barcode and UI folder, and here I will create a new folder, and the new folder name will be barcode. Okay, and inside that I will paste that files. Okay, and now let's open our editor, and you can see here we have two folders in our UI folder. One is for the product images and second is for the barcode files. Okay, and now what I need to do, simply just after header I'm going to include here barcode and barcode 128.php file. Okay, I include this configuration file barcode 128.php from this barcode folder. Okay, and then what I need to do, simply here I will use $row, and here I will give barcode. Okay, and this function I will keep in inside bar 128. Okay, and let me copy this, cut from here, and let paste it here. Okay, and let's give dot here and here, and remove this. Okay, perfect. Now let's save and let's see the output. What is the output? Refresher file. Perfect, you can see here our barcode. Okay, and what we can do, let's check if I goes to for that, you can see here, and if I go to the you can see here the barcode for the charger. Okay, and we can do some changes, and we can remove the info class from here. We can give here the light class instead of info, and let's refresh our page. Perfect. Okay, and again goes to the product list, and if I click on the mix spices, if I click on the veg burger, you can see here this barcode, and if I goes to the sugar, then you can see the barcode sticker, and if I goes to the for the mobile or for the electronics or for the, you can see here Pepsodent toothpaste, so you can see here the image, and you can see here the barcode and the barcode number and the name of the product and the category cosmetics, and description Pepsodent Germy Check Jumbo Advanced Germy Check formula, stock available 350, purchase price is 80 and sell price is 140, and the product profit is 60. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me. I think this is enough in this video, and we will work for edit product from the next video. If I get some error or if I get some doubt in this section, means view product.php file, I will tell you. So see you next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have successfully created our viewproduct.php file. You can see the awesome UI of our viewproduct.php file. We can see here the barcode and product name, category, description, stock, purchase price, sell price, and then product profit also. And after that we can see here the product image. Okay, now let's go back on the product list, and this section and this button work is completed now. And after this button work we need to work with added product. So what we need to do for the added product is, we already know what we need to do. Simply first we will create a new file, and we will give the name of that file. The name we will give addedproduct.php. Okay, and you can see here our product. Let me open this page, and you can see here add product.php file. Just like that, the same form we need to create for our edit product.php. Okay, so we can copy the code from add product.php file for saving our time. Let's go on our code editor, and let's create a new file which name will be edit product.php. Here select first our UI folder. Okay, and click here for creating new file, and here I can give edit product.php. Let's check the spelling. Edit product.php, perfect. Now our edit product.php file is created successful. The same process we need to follow. Open blank.php, select all code, copy, and let's go back on edit product.php, and let's go on category.php. Same process we need to follow again. Add 2 lines. These 2 lines we need to every time. Okay, and let me copy this, and let's go back on edit product, and just add above the header.php and admin dashboard. Let's remove this, comment out this, and here we can give edit product. Okay, and here we have the cart body, so remove this, save our file, and let's check it is working or not. Let's go on productlist.php, click on here. Okay, it's showing us some error. Edit product.php. So open our code editor, and what mistake I have done here. Let's okay. I just delete this division, that's why it was showing us the error. So remove this 3 lines only. Okay, save our file and refresh our page. Perfect, now you can see. Okay, now we can work for edit product.php. One thing more I can change here. Here I can give success instead of primary. Okay, and save, and open our add product.php, and let's copy all the code from the form. Okay, you can see here this is add product.php file, and the same code we are going to copy from the add product.php for our edit product.php page, so don't be confused. Okay, for saving the time. So this is the opening tag of the form, and let's see the close tag. So this is the close tag. So from the close tag I am going to copy to the starting tag of the form. Okay, so you can see here starting tag of the form and the end tag of the form. So right click, copy, and let's go on edit product and cart body, remove this cart body because we have copied the cart body division from the previous page or add product.php page. Okay, so here I will paste that all code, save our file, and let's see the output. Refresh. Perfect. So now you can see here our added product page is designed successful. Let's go on product list and click here. You can see here the ID. Okay, so what I need to do now, here we will fetch out the data from the database according to this ID. You can see here in the URL the ID is 11, so we can fetch out all the data which belongs to ID 11. So let's go in the database. You can see here our table, and you can see here the ID, PID is 11. Okay, so this raw data we can fetch out from the database on that form, on edit product.php file for update the records. Okay, so simply open our text editor, and here from here I will write code. So first of all, here I will create a variable $id, and in $id I will use here $_ get method, and get method inside I will use ID. Okay, save. And what I need to do here now, after this I need to write a query. So let me write first, then I will explain you what I have wrote here. Okay, so let me write. Okay, so our query is completed now. What I have done here, let me show you. Here I just created new variable, and I use here get method, and using of get method I am getting out the ID from the URL, and I just use here the select query $select, then $PDO. I prepare a statement select asterisk from table product, where PID is equal to this $ID. Okay, this $ID we are getting from the URL, and then I execute the query, and I just get out all the value in $row using of fetch assoc method. Okay, and let's check. Let's create a new variable, $ID underscore db. Db is stand for the database because we are fetching out the value from the database. That's why I am giving here db for the variables. Okay, so don't be confused. Then $row, and let's write a square bracket because we are using fetch underscore assoc method. Here we are not using fetch underscore object method. Okay, then single quote, and in single quote I can pass PID. Okay, and let's echo this $ID underscore db. Okay, and let's save, and let's see the output. Okay, you can see here the ID. Okay, now let's go back on our code, and let's see the form which we have pasted from the addProduct.php, and you can see here the form and the form name. Here I need to give the name attribute. Name I can give here form edit product. Okay, save, form edit product. And for the button, what I need to give here for the button, right, buttons edit, name button edit product, and here edit product. Okay, save, and the class I can change here. I am going to give here success. Save and save file, and let's see the output. Perfect. Okay, it is added, so we can first of all remove this, comment out this line, and let's save, and let's change the name of the button. It is not added, it is added. Okay, save, and let's refresh our page. Perfect, added product. Okay, now just like that we can show the values from the database in our form elements. Form elements means our text field. You can see here the barcode text field and product name text field, and drop down box description means text area, and this text field, this, and the choose file chooser. Okay, so we need to set the values from the database on that elements. Okay, and then we can change the text, or we can change the image, we can change the category or description or stock quantity from here. Then we will click on edit product or update product. Here I need to give update product name, not edit product. Okay, so I hope this is enough in this video. We will continue from the next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So now let's continue our edit product.php file. Open our code editor, and here now we need to create a new variables. Let's remove this echo from here, and here I'm going to create the variables. Okay, and let me create, and then I will explain you. Okay, I have created all the variables, and I just get out the values from the database. So let me show. You can see here the column names from where I am getting the values. You can see here the PID, and you can see here the column name PID, and barcode. You can see here the barcode, and then product. You can see here the product. Okay, and just like that I get out the category and description. You can see here, and so on. Okay, now let me show. First save our file, and I can show the value using a simple method which name is print underscore r, and in this method I will pass $row and then terminate. Let's save, and let's try to see the values, okay, according to the ID. So open our browser, maximize it, and let's go on product list and click here on the second records. So you can see here barcode value, ID, PID, then this is the barcode value, and this is the product, and after this is the category, and this is description, and this is the stock, and this is the purchase price and the sell price. You can see here this is the database values all, and this is the image name. Okay, so that all values we will set in the elements of the form. Okay, so let's do comment out this line. Okay, so let's pass first of all ID and barcode. First of all, let me pass the barcode, and for passing this value here I need to give value, a new attribute which name is value, and inside the value I can write the PHP, and inside the PHP I can echo $barcode underscore db, then terminate. Okay, let's save, and let's see the output. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, we are able to show the barcode here, and just like that we can show the product name, and let pass the same value. Just we need to change here product instead of barcode. Save and refresh. Okay, you can see the veg burger. Okay, and after that we need to give here some different type of code for our category. So here in the query or in the option, you can see here in the category we can fetch out, we are fetching out data from the table category, not from the table product. Okay, but here in this variable we have the category from the table products. Okay, so what I need to do here for showing the exact value from the database, so here in this section I will write a simple code in this option. Okay, so here I will write a PHP condition again here. So let me write PHP, and then here I will use if condition, and in the if condition I will pass $row and $row single quote category, which is coming from the table category, and I am comparing this $row from the $category underscore db. Okay, and then what I need to do, simple, I will open here if condition, and after that in here I need to give again a PHP, and here I will close this if condition. Okay, so remove this from here, and just outside the bracket I will use here. Okay, now you can see here this is the opening tag of the if condition, and here this is the close tag of the if condition, and inside that I can write a simple line selected. Okay, and selected is equal to, and I will pass here in a double quote selected. Okay, and now the lines which will be same, PHP equal row category. Okay, and now let's save it is working or not. Perfect, you can see here the veg. If I go to the product list, and you can see our first records, which is mixed spices, and the category is grocery. So let's click on that. Perfect, you can see here the grocery. Okay, and now let's go for the text area. Okay, and here we have the text area. So for the text area there are also a different method. Here we can show using of PHP lines, using of PHP, and here we can echo dollar description underscore db, terminate line, save, and let's see the output again. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, now we have the stock quantity, purchase price, and the sell price. So same line we can copy from the name. You can see here the value attribute, copy this, and let's go for the txt description, and here we have this stock, and here I can paste, and I can pass here a stock. Perfect, and after the class here we have purchase price, and let's give here purchase price, and let's give here the sell price. Okay, this is the stock purchase price underscore db, and here sell price underscore db. Save our file and let's see the output. Refresh our edit product.php. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, stock, purchase price and sell price. Now the turn is for the product image. So what we can do for the product image, simply let's go on our code editor and let's go back on product list, and in the product list you can see here the code of image. So let's copy this code. Let me copy and let's back on edit product.php, and here just after the label I can paste here the image code. Okay, but here I will pass the PHP code, not this. So remove this, and here I will write PHP and echo $image underscore db. Let's terminate. Okay, and here I can give the width 50 and the height also the 50. Let's save and let's see the output. Perfect, you can see here the product image. Okay, and we can hide this. Okay, and we can give here the br tag. Let's save and let's see the output. Perfect. Okay, now let's go back on the product list and let's try to open another product. For example, we are going to open this product which name is Kisan tomato ketchup. So click on edit product button, and now you can see here the barcode and the name of the product and the category which is grocery, and description, stock quantity, purchase price, sell price and the image. Okay, and now we can edit all the records. If we want to change the name we can change. If we want to change for example Kisan tomato ketchup, we want to give here 1.2 kg, so we can update the records. Okay, so we will write code for update the records in next videos. So I hope this is enough in this video. We will continue from the next video. So bye bye. Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our edit product.php file. In previous video we have successfully fetched out the values in our form elements. You can see here. Now we are going to edit. How can we edit or how can we update the product? So here we need to do little changes. We are going to disable this barcode field and we are going to change the name here. Okay, then we will write the update query for update the data. So let's open our editor, and first let's go on the field of barcode. So barcode field, you can see here, here we need to give the class. I am going to give here disable. Okay, save, and I want to change the name of the button. Button name I want to show update instead of edit button. So let's go for the button, button here. Let's give update. Okay, and button edit product, the name attribute is button edit product. So let's save the file and see the output first. Refresh our page. Perfect, you can see the barcode field is disabled. We don't want to edit the barcode, and instead of barcode we can edit anything, means all the parameters of our product details. Okay, and now you can see here this is the update button, now update product. And now let's do code for our update query. So simply for saving the time, first remove this. In previous video we fetch out the data from the database, that's why I have given here name of the variables like that. I just added db for the database. Okay, so for saving the time, we can go on add product.php, and here we can copy the code. So I'm going to copy from if and here. So first variable, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and 8 variable, up to 8 variables I am going to copy. Okay, and let's make on our edit product.php, and after that I am going to paste that if condition. Okay, and inside that let me close this if, and inside if you can see I can give here txt. So copy, give here the txt, and here also, and here also, and here also, and here also, and here also. Okay, so we can recognize which variable belongs to the text field or the database. So we can recognize this like this. Okay, txt means from the text field and db means from the database. You can see here we are getting the value in this variable from the database, and we are getting values in this variable from the text field. So don't be confused using of post method. Now what I need to do, so after this I am going to use here if condition again, and if, and then else, and inside this if I will use a empty method, $f, and here I will use not equal to. Okay, and in the else section we will write the query first, then I will explain you what I have done here. Okay, so first in else section I let me write the query. First let me explain why I'm going to write query in else section. You can see here, let me resize my browser. You can see here if I change the product name or category or description or stock or purchase price or sale price, but not the image. Okay, not the image, then we will write code in else section. Okay, if we choose the image, okay, if we will choose the image with other parameters, then we will write query again in if condition or if section. Okay, so if the user does not select the image, it means the image underscore txt file is empty. Then we will get out the value from the image underscore db variable, not from the $image underscore txt variable. Okay, I hope got this. I hope you got this. Then if you are not get this, I will explain you again. First let me write the code. So first of all I am going to write code inside the else section, then we will write code in if section. So let me write the update query here. So now our query is completed. Let's me check first. I want to add here the sweet alert, then we will check. So we can add the sweet alert from the 8 products .php, and let's go here and we can copy the sweet alert code from here. Let's copy, and let's go back on edit product, and in the last after the footer we can add the sweet alert code here, and just like that we can copy the output code. Okay, and the same code we can copy copy this code and let's click on edit product, and here we can add this code. So paste this, and product inserted, product updated successful. Here we can give updated successful and product update fail. Okay, so our code is successfully wrote. We have wrote successfully our code, and now let's check. You can see here the if section is empty now, and we took the image from the database. You can see here, means user does not selected the image, user selected the values from the text field. That's why we have taken here the values from the text field, not from the database. I hope you got this. So first let's check our code is working not. If it is giving us error, then we will resolve it. So open our browser and let's refresh first. Let's go first on product list and let's try to edit this veg burger. Go to edit, and here veg burger, let's check veg burger paneer, and let's try to give a random category here, small and big, and stock quantity let's give 10 and purchase price 5 and sell price is 8, but we are not chosen image here. Okay, let's click on update. It is updated or not. Please select this file. Okay, so what I need to do, simply first let's go on code editor and let's go for the image code, and in the image code we need to remove the required class from here. So you can see here the image code in our form. So let's remove this required. Now let's save again and let's go back on our code editor. Let's again go on product list and click on edit product, and let's edit paneer, then give here non-veg, small, big, test, 1000, 10,000, 5,000, 8,000, and let's click on update product. So it is not showing us the message it is updated or not. Let's open our database, and in the database let's check. Let's go on table product, and let's veg burger. It is not updated now, so there may be a problem. Okay, let's check in our brow code what error we are getting here. Okay, here we forgot the name attribute of the button. So the name attribute of the button is wrong. Here is btn save. So the silly problems you can also do. So be aware and be focused when you do coding. Here this is the name attribute of our button. So copy this, and we need to tell the name of the button attribute here. Okay, so let's tell, or let's give. Now the button name attribute is btn edit product. Okay, and now let's save, and again open our browser, again open product list, and again go to edit product and remove here veg burr, and select the category non-veg books, and let's give some dummy data here because we are just checking. That's why I'm giving here some wrong information. Okay, click on update product successful. Okay, but here it is not showing our product is updated not, but it is showing the error undefined array key text txt barcode. Okay, txt barcode in line number 29. So here let's see line number 29, barcode txt. Okay, we are not updating the barcode. Barcode txt barcode. So let's comment out this line, save. And one thing more we can do, simply let's select this lines of code, select this. From here you can see from the select query, let's copy the lines of code, copy, and let's go just after the if condition here, and let paste that code again here. Okay, because we are setting the database value in our text field, so in the last when our code is updated, when our data is updated, then we can show the updated data in our text field using of this variable. Okay, that's why I paste these lines here. Okay, save file, and let's go here, refresh our page. Perfect, you can see here now updated value from the database we can see here. Okay, now let's update again burger, select the category veg and remove this, and here stock quantity is 1000, purchase price is 50 and sell price is 80. We are not choosing the image here. Okay, so now let's click on update. Updated, product updated successful. Let's see. Perfect, it is updated successful now. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done in this tutorial. Let me explain you. I will take only 2 minutes for explaining. I am not taking too time of your. So what I have done here, simply here I am just using if condition. Inside the if condition we are clicking on this button. After clicking on this button, we just getting out the value using of post method in these variables, and I use here the if condition, and inside the if condition I am just checking image is selected or not. Okay, if image is selected, if the user, you can see here, if the user will select the image, a new image, then this if section code will execute. So this section code we will write in next video, otherwise this else code will execute. Okay, in this condition user does not selected the image. Okay, user only changes the product name, veg, means category, description, stock and purchase price and sell price, but user does not select any image. So the previous images we want to update. That's why here in this else section we are running this query. Okay, and we just passes here the database value instead of txt. Okay, you can see here we have passed here the txt values, but for the image we have passed the database value, means previous value, means previous image, the same image we are updating here. Okay, and if the user will choose a new image, then we will write code for that condition in if section. Okay, I hope you got this. In the next tutorial I will write code in the if section. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done in this tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So now let's continue our product added product.php file. You can see here we have wrote the code in else section. Let me show me the browser to you, and here you can see if the user choose any image, then this if section will execute. Okay, otherwise if user does not choose any image from here, they change only the fields for like product name, category small means description, and the quantity and the purchase price and the sell price, but not the image. Okay, means image variable is empty now. So then this else section will execute. Okay, but here in this case, in this video, we are writing code for that condition. In that condition, user will choose the image. Okay, so let me write what I need to do. Simply let's go on add product.php, and the simple code we need to copy. We already copied this single line, and from here we are going to copy the code. So don't be confused, we have already wrote this code in previous lecture. So copy. Okay, you can see I'm copying from here to here a small piece of code. So let me copy this, and let's back on edit product.php and paste here. Okay, and it is showing us error. You can see the red line here. So we need to close this if section, if condition, and then this else. So add a close brace also, and this if also. Then here let's close. Okay, now the error is gone. And what I need to do, simply in this if condition, I will add the update query. Okay, so the update query we have already wrote in the else section. Simply we will copy. So let's copy from here. Okay, copy, and let's paste here, paste, and remove this. We don't need that variable, we need only this variable. So copy this variable $f_new file. This file will contain the image chosen by the user. So here you can see in else section we were passing database image, but here we are passing date variable which contain the image chosen by the user. Okay, so you can see here the difference. This variable contain the image which is chosen by the user, and in the else section we passed here date variable which image coming from the database. Okay, I hope you got the difference. Okay, so here I can show product update successful. Here I can show with new image. Okay, so now let's save our file and see the output, it is working or not. Let's go back on product list and choose again the veg burger, and let's choose the different image. I'm going to choose this Kisan tomato ketchup, and let me update the message product update successfully with new image. Okay, now you can see here, let's go back on product list. Now you can see the veg burger, the image has been changed. Okay, now let's try again. Let's try to change veg burger. Let's give here test, and again change the image. I'm going to choose this soap. Okay, and here I can change the hardware. Okay, and some dummy data. Okay, now let's update. Okay, so product updated successful. Let's give here RR, and let's product updated successful, and let's give here RR again, select mobile. Okay, and 550, and let's choose the image and update. Perfect. So our code is working perfectly. Now let's remove this, and again let's choose the category veg, and let's update. Product update successful. Okay, and remove this and remove this, remove this, remove this, and let's choose the burger and click on update. Okay, product update successful with new image. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. Let's go on product list, and you can see here the specific product details. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. Our view product and edit product section is completed now, and we will work for the delete product, then we will work for generate the barcode stickers. Okay, so see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So now in this video we are going to work with the delete button. In the previous video we have successfully wrote the code for the view product and for the edit product, and now in this video we are going to work with the delete product. So for the delete product button we will use Ajax. By the using of Ajax we can delete our product details without refreshing the page. Okay, so without refreshing the page we can delete the product or anything in our application using of Ajax. So that's why we use Ajax. So let's open our code editor, and here our button code, our delete button code. And first of all here I am going to give btn delete, the class name of the button, which is btn delete. Okay, copy this, and here in the last I will write the script or Ajax code for deleting the records. Okay, so script, and inside this I will write code. So first let me write, and I will explain you. So our Ajax code is completed now, and now we need to create this product delete.php file. First create, then I will explain you. Let me copy and select our folder UI, and in this folder I am going to create a new file which name will be product delete.php, and in product delete.php we will write code. Okay, it's created the folder for us, so delete this. Okay, and select UI folder and create new file, paste and enter. Okay, and now here I need to write code, PHP code for delete the product. So first of all I will include here, include once our connect db file. So let's connect db.php, and after that here I need $id. First let me write code, then I will explain you. $id. So our code is complete now. Let's save, and let's go back on productlist.php, and here we have Ajax code, and let's see it is working or not. Here is our product list. Let's refresh our page, and here we have dummy data 2. Let's click on this delete button. Okay, but it is not working now. So let's see what is the problem in our code. So I arrange the files. Let's save, and let's see the output, it is working or not. And here we have the dummy data. Let's try to delete this. Perfect, it is deleting now. Okay, so I hope you got it what I have done here. Simply I just wrote here the Ajax code. I just use here document $document.ready function, and inside this I just use my button class, and I use here dot click function, and I created a variable tdh and id. Okay, and in this id I am getting the value id from the button. You can see here in the button. So in this id I am getting id from PID. So this id I just passed here in Ajax code. Okay, you can see here id, and in this id I am getting the value, and I use here Ajax code, and I pass the URL p product delete.php, and I use here post method and data, and in PID from this id I am passing the value in this PIDD, and this PIDD we are passing using post method and in this product delete.php file, and I use here the success method. If it is deleted, then it will hide the tr. Okay, so let me explain you product delete.php. You can see here in this file I just use a database connection file, and I just get out the value in $id using of post method, using of PIDD. This PIDD we are passing using of Ajax. You can see here this PIDD means this value. We are getting the value in the PIDD using this id. Okay, this PIDD we are passing using of post method in this file. So in this file we are getting the value in this $id, and this $id we are passing here in our delete from table product where PID is equal to $id in this delete query. Okay, and I just execute this delete query using of prepare method, then it will delete it using of this query. So I hope you got this. In the next video we will add the sweet alerts in our code. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have successfully wrote the Ajax code for deleting the product details. Now in this video we are going to add the sweet alerts. So I have already opened the sweet alerts website. You can see here sweetalert2.github.io. okay, you can search this website from the Google, and you can directly hit this URL. So from this URL we can copy the sweet alert code. So here lots of code, and I am going to copy. Let me see this code. Okay, deleted successful or cancel. So this code we can copy and we can use in our code in a simple way. So let's copy, and let's go on our code editor, and simple, after the variables let's paste that code. Okay, and the simple steps, copy the Ajax code from starting to end, copy this, cut from here, copy and cut from here, and just paste after in this if condition. Okay, you can see here the if condition. So inside this if I will paste my Ajax code. So paste and save our file. Now test it is working or not. Refresh our page, and if I click on delete button, perfect, it is working now. Are you sure? You won't be able to revert this. So cancel. Let's check it is deleting or not. Yes, delete it. Perfect. You can see here our data is deleted successful. Okay, so now let's back on our code, and we can change the messages. We can are you sure? Are you sure to want to delete? We can show a message here. Do you want to delete? Okay, and you won't be able to revert this message is right, and the message is warning, and your product has been deleted. We can give here product instead of file. Product has been deleted. Now save, and let's back on our product list, refresh, and you can see here we have dummy data 6. Let's click here. Do you want to delete? You won't be able to revert this. Cancel. Okay, now it is not deleted. Again click on delete button, click yes, delete it. So deleted, your product has been deleted. So you can see this, here is no product. Let's delete this dummy 3. Perfect. Okay, now let's check our database, and inside our database you can see here, okay, there is no dummy data. Okay, so our delete button code is completed now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. Simply I just copy the sweet alert code and I just paste the ajax code in the if condition of sweet alert in an easy way. So don't be confused and don't need to do anything in this code. Okay, this code is just for use. If you want to modify, you can modify from here. So see you in next video.